Look at your hair. Your Highness.
Oh, please. Just Rapunzel.
Wow. Really? Okay, so fantastical stories of your hair returning have spread throughout Corona. Yeah, people say it's magic, but personally, I don't really believe that. Now, as you have probably guessed, I am a man of science, specifically
Alchemy, we know. Now listen, kid, we need your help, but let me make something clear. What happens here stays here. You got it?
Oh, yes. It's very long. Oh, no, don't worry, Your Highness. Rapunzel, I am sure that I, Varian, can unlock the mystery of your hair with the power of science! Ow! No sweat, this is a little...
Back what once was mine, what once was mine. Better?
Oh, yeah. No!
Huh, they used to work.
Well, silver lining, we've acquired some critical data about your hair. It no longer possesses its legendary healing power. Progress! Now, let's figure out exactly what this hair is made